Hello guys, welcome to Zion Traders YouTube channel. On this channel, we share our trade ideas and we review our weekly trades and signals, and we also forecast directional bias of various asset class, but predominantly forex Yes. All right, guys. So very quickly on today's video, as usual, the our last week, because we are actually in another week. I was supposed to make this video on Saturday, but today I was very tight. I was busy, so I could not make the video. So I have to make the video today, being Monday on 19th February 2024, guys. All right. So I'll just show you guys the trades I took, why I took the trade, and I will go on to forecast for this week. So guys, let's just try as much as possible to make this video very short. All right, this was the first trade we took last week. I want you guys to know that the both of the trades did not go well. That's the truth, guys. Both of them did not go well. So this was the first trade we took. Actually from here, if you check the group, I sent you guys a screenshot right here. So I saw that this guy broke like this. It broke to the upside. So I was waiting for it to retrace down here to this support level, and then we'll start buying from here upward. This was my anticipation, guys. So when price, if you go to our daily time frame, we'll see this. We'll have a good support level there, right? On the daily time frame, we can see that on the daily it break all as well on the daily time frame. So daily time frame candle closed above this zone. So these were actually my confluences. I was like, this is actually a clean trade, right? Because the moves and everything is just clean. However, so I went to my 1 hour time frame when the price got here to this region. I'm sorry guys, I cannot replay this thing because my subscription has expired and I have not renewed it. So uh price got here, guys. So when price got here, look at this swing high. This swing high was broken by this candle. So when this swing high was broken by this candle, what I did was to just outline this, guys. So I outlined the other block, and then we took our entry from the other block. So if you check, guys, if you check, alright guys, so if you check properly, guys, if you check the group properly, this was where we took our entry, guys. So price came, right, tapped us in, price tapped us in here, tapped us in. Let me turn off this stuff, guys. Alright, price came, retraced to the other block, tapped us in, right, and then it started trading in our direction, right. But look at what price did. Price just traded there. It failed to take out this high. True. I'm actually not surprised. Immediately I saw that price failed to take out this high, I knew that this thing was in trouble. It was just consolidating around this high, and look at it for 4 hours. This price was here around this high. It failed to break it. So I knew that this guy was in trouble, but because of my trade management technique, I ought to leave that trade for it to run. I actually knew it was in trouble, but I cannot exit. I could not exit at that moment, right? Because it's actually against my rules, right? So we lost this trade, guys. We eventually lost this trade. All of us on the group, we lost this trade. So this was the only signal I dropped last week. Hopefully this week will be better, guys. So guys, I myself personally I took this trade on GBPUSD. Though the trade went well, but I got stopped out before it started going my favor. Actually, I did not follow my rules. There's something I'm supposed to do, right? I'll show you guys this trade. This was the trade I was supposed to join in this whole buy. I took my trade from here, but this candle stopped me out and then started buying. Now this was what I did, guys. I did wrong thing. I was supposed to outline this other block because this strategy is this. When there are two demand zones, right? When there are two demand zones, right, or more than two demand zones, what my plan is this, right? When there are more than one demand zone, what I will do is this: I will outline the biggest one. If I don't outline the biggest one that covers everything, if it does not cover, I will outline the first one, right? And then I will make sure it covers up to the second one, at least the candle body of the second one. So when price is retracing, it can just touch it with a wick and then trade away from there, right? So that's actually my plans, right? But I don't like taking two zones. Like unlike my mentor does that, he takes two zones, right? He will take this zone separately. If this one fails, he will take the other one. Although he's decided to stop doing all of that, but for now, guys, this is it. So I took this trade, but this was what I was supposed to do, right? This was how I was supposed to take this trade, and I would have I would have taken this buy from here, right? All up. I want to just target three arrow from this trade. I want to just target three arrow from this trade, guys. Just three arrow from this trade, right? So, but the trade it did not work out, guys. The trade did not work out for me. So I got stopped out before this buy happened. Let me show you guys what I did. I outlined this when I saw this. I think I outlined this. Yes, this was what I outlined. No, not that. I'm sorry, guys. Not that. Okay, okay. Not. I don't know, but I think something like this, something like this. That line. My pips was my stop loss was just 7 pips. So 7 pips, right? So this was what I outlined, and then I thought maybe the guy would just start trading away from here. The guy did not. My stop loss was just 7 pips that day, right? So these are around 8 pips, but my stop loss was 7 point something pips, 7.5, I guess. So the guy just got here, and my target was just about three arrow this level, right? Three arrow, three arrow, right? That was actually my target. But the guy stopped me out before going my direction. So in total, last week, guys, I lost last week's trade, both trade, on two different accounts because this that I'm showing you guys now is a different strategy entirely, guys. It's a different strategy. So that's the reason I don't take the two strategy on one account. So on both strategy, I took one trade on each strategy each last week on each strategy and on different account as well. And I lost both of them, guys. That's what happened last week. So hopefully this week is going to be a better week, guys. So I'm trusting God that this week is going to be a better one. All right, guys. So let's see what we have for this week. Let's see what we have. Nothing much, guys. The market is not so cool. The market is not so cool right now. So this guy is just consolidating. You can see he's around here. And honestly, guys, I actually don't want to take a sell if this zone is not broken yet. You guys know that I'm not a I hold my trade for long a bit. I'm not a scalper, right? So I'm a day trader. I'm not a scalper. So I hold my trade for long. So, guys, and because of that, I don't want to take trade here just yet. What I'm waiting for, guys, I can see a trend line here. I can see a trend line here. I can see a clean trend line here. So even when I saw this last night, I knew that it was going to trade away from here. What I'm waiting for, guys, I'm just waiting for this low to be taken, and then I will be sure that this guy is about to sell all the way to the downside, and then I'll be very confident to start buying this market. However, I'm still watching this high. I'm actually looking at this high being taken out. I don't know yet. Let me see. Let me check daily time frame, guys. Guys, I'm waiting for this consolidation zone to be off, right? Once this consolidation zone is taken out, I will start buying this as I'll start if it takes it out to the upside, I'll start buying. But if this zone is broken to the downside again, I will start selling. So that's actually what I'm looking at CHF JPY. GBP JPY, guys, the truth is I still have a buy bias here. Because if you look at the daily time frame, the guy traded or got us out and then started trading higher, and it just so makes sense here. A break, a retest, and then a continuation. You get. So that's actually what I'm looking at, guys. So what I'm seeing right here is the everything does not make so much sense to me, But I'm just what I will do right now is that I'll wait for this zone to be taken out. I'll just use a counter trend line here. Yeah, so I'll just mark out this zone. So I'll wait for the 4 hour to break. Once 4 hour candle breaks this zone now, I'll start looking for buy once again, guys. Let's check Euro J. Okay, okay, guys. Actually, this is a setup, guys. This is a setup. This is part of my one of my strategy. The second strategy I told you guys, it's playing out here right now. I didn't take this trade because I only use that strategy on GBPUSD for now. So that's the reason I didn't take this trade. If not, I would have taken this trade, and it's playing out perfectly right on this Euro JPY right now. But guys, I don't take this trade on that strategy. I don't use that strategy on other pairs except on GBPUSD. All right, so let's see what we have on the our main strategy. All right, so from I'll start looking for buy, guys. I'll start looking for buys here. I'll start looking for buy. Considering the fact that this guy has broken high this zone, and then let me take out this trend line, guys. All right, this guy has taken out this zone, and look at it. He broke it clearly on the 4 hour, and it has retested to this daily time frame order block. So from this order block, I'm looking for buy. So this thing is just shouting buy, guys. Buy here. So I'll start looking for buy here now around this region. You considering that our strategy, guys, this is supposed to we are supposed to start looking for a buy, not a sell. But for that other strategy is signaling sell here. But that's why I don't take both on the same account, and I don't drop signal on the other strategy. I only drop signal on this strategy. So that's one thing, guys. So I just want to perfect that strategy, that second strategy, and know the win rate. Though the win rate is quite high, yeah, it's high. The win rate is high, but I'm still working on it. Once it's done, I'll start dropping signals on for you guys using that strategy as well. But when you guys want to start using it, I'll tell you guys so you guys can use different accounts for two different strategies. Whenever I drop signals, by then, no guys, then not now, because I'm not going to start dropping now. I will inform you guys the strategy I'm using so that you guys can create two accounts, right? And then use different various account for different account for the strategies, right? So don't use one, because the reason I advise not to use one account is because if you are on a losing streak on one strategy, if one strategy is on a if both strategy are on a losing streak at the same time, guys, like your account is going to blow. Guys, just imagine straight 5 losses on this strategy, and the second strategy 5 losses still. Guys, you are going to lose your money. That's the reason why I don't advise that. But if both are on a winning streak as well, if both are on a winning streak, you make a whole lot. So guys, that's it. Prevent our capital first before talking about our wins. So look at what happened here. I'm expecting what happened here to repeat itself here. Around this region, I'll be looking for a buy. So guys, just watch out for this. Let's see if this our buy is going to hold. This support level is going to hold this sell. Guys, so we are looking for buy on Euro JPY. Let's check yen basket first. Guys, yen basket, I'm actually still looking for sell because this guy has just broken a structure to the downside. But the truth is, as of last week, I was expecting DX and Japanese yen to retrace massively to at least all this liquidity void, to cover up all this liquidity void. But obviously, it got rejected at an order block on the 4 hour time frame here. So it got rejected from that level. So I was actually anticipating like a good, reasonable retracement, right? So into all these levels, at least to this region, But then obviously, This guy retraced from here, this support level and this resistance level, which is support now turn so resistance. And obviously it's actually a 4 hour order block. Yeah, I believe. Well, you can see right here, 4 hour order block right here. So guys, that's just it. That's just it. And but I'm anticipating more sales here. I'm anticipating more sales here. I'm anticipating more sales for we to come and take out this liquidity here, because this is right the draw on liquidity. So I'm anticipating a sell even from around this region where it is right now. From this region, I'm anticipating a sell from here to the downside. So you guys can also watch out on this right now. I'm going to pay close attention to this, guys. So that's it, guys, for the day. Let's see. As for euro USD, as you can see right there, we just traded into this is a huge support level, right? If you go to your daily time frame, you're going to see it's going to be clear to you. So it's a major support level. Although this my chart is rough, this is not what I use for my analysis anyways, right? So it's just for teaching. This my chart is of what euro USD just traded into a good support level. So what I'm actually anticipating is that this zone, you can see this zone that I outlined, this very counter trend line here. Once it takes it out, I will start looking for buys. Once it takes it out like this, I will start looking for buys from here. I will start looking for buys to this very region. So guys, this is what I'm anticipating for this week, guys. So as for GBPUSD, guys, I don't even know the direction of this guy just yet. Like, I won't lie to you, I don't know the direction of GBPUSD. But last week I told you guys this week this is exactly what I told you guys, that if it takes this out, it might come here and then start selling. Start it just to cover up or fill all this liquidity void on the 4 hour time frame, and then to start selling. That's exactly what I told you guys. Just to fill up. You can see this guy came and feed up to and traded into this imbalance and then traded away. This is it. When you understand the market to some extent, right, you will get to know what, like, you have a clue, an idea of what the market is about to do. That is just it, guys. So you can see it's just here. It has not taken out this low and it has not taken out this high. So obviously we can say that this guy is consolidating from this to this level, and between this level and this level. But if I see a good break again, a break at this region, if I see a break at this region, guys, I'm going to start buying. If I see a break here like this, something like this, I'm going to start buying into this next level, or this next resistance level, guys. So this is it, guys. Nothing much, nothing less. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching.